Did you know that heart attacks can strike without warning, leaving little to no clues behind? These silent killer can wreak havoc on your health before you even realize what's happening. Stay informed and protect yourself by learning the top 10 warning signs that could save your life. Number 1, pain on the jaw, neck, or upper back pain. While chest pain is a well-known heart attack symptom, the jaw, neck, or upper back can also signal trouble. This occurs because the heart's distress can radiate to these areas due to the shared nerve pathways. Many heart attack sufferers report these pains before experiencing more typical symptoms like shortness of breath and nausea. Number 2, unusual fatigue. Feeling excessively tired without a clear reason can be an early indicator of a heart attack. A study by the American Heart Association found that 70% of women who had heart attacks reported unusual fatigue beforehand. This fatigue stems from the heart struggling to pump blood efficiently, causing the body to feel worn out. Number 3, chest pain. Squeezing chest pressure. A heart attack often manifests as a squeezing or pressure-like pain in the chest known as angina. This discomfort can last several minutes and may feel more like a cramp than sharp pain. Such chest pressure should prompt immediate medical attention to prevent lasting heart damage. Number 4, unexplained sweating. Sweating without a clear cause, such as exercise or heat, can be a sign of a heart attack. When the heart works harder to pump blood through clogged arteries, the body sweats more to regulate its temperature. If you notice unusual sweating paired with symptoms like dizziness or nausea, seek medical help promptly. Number 5, bloating, nausea, or loss of appetite. Feeling full after eating little, along with nausea, can indicate heart failure. Reduced heart efficiency diverts blood from the digestive system to vital organs, leading to these symptoms. Number 6, lightheadedness or dizziness. A blocked blood supply to the heart during an attack can cause dizziness or lightheadedness due to a lack of oxygenated blood. This can also be triggered by stress or dehydration, but persistent dizziness warrants medical evaluation to rule out serious conditions. Number 7, shortness of breath. Breathing difficulties are a common sign of heart issues, often felt as an inability to take deep breaths or a heavy sensation in the lungs. Shortness of breath can result from anxiety or allergic reactions, but often indicates lung or heart problems and should not be ignored. Number 8, swollen legs, ankles, or abdomen. Swelling or edema in the lower body can occur when the heart fails to pump blood effectively, causing fluid buildup. This symptom, seen in about 20% of heart attack cases, indicates the heart's diminished capacity to manage blood flow and warrants immediate medical attention. 9, persistent flu-like symptoms. An enduring flu can signal underlying heart problems. Research has shown an increased risk of heart attack following a flu infection. If flu symptoms coincide with chest pain, shortness of breath, or other heart disease signs, consult a doctor promptly. Number 10, sleep disturbances. Trouble sleeping, including restless nights and frequent waking, can be linked to heart disease. Blockages in coronary arteries can lead to reduced blood flow, triggering the body to release stress hormones that disrupt sleep. Persistent sleep issues should be evaluated by a healthcare provider. Recognizing these subtle signs can make a significant difference in preventing severe heart damage. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death, but lifestyle changes like a healthy diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking can reduce your risk. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult your physician and, in emergencies, call 999 immediately. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. See you next time.